Let me go with the fifth problem here. 7 times a number. 7 times a number. Let the number be x. Right? Let the number be x. 7 times a number. So that is going to be 7x is 12 less than 13 times the same number. That is going to is equal to 13x minus 12. Right, 7 times a number is 12 less than 13 times the same number. Find the number. Now what I'll do now, so I'll transpose this, right, minus 12 I'll transfer to the right hand side. That will become plus 12 is equal to 13x, right, 13x. I'll transfer 7 to that side. That is going to be minus 7x. Right, 12 is equal to 13x minus 7x is going to be 6x, or x is equal to 12 by 6. So which is going to be 2. If you divide, you are going to get x is equal to 2. Option B is the right one.